Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you one best Faucet website. This is not Faucet just watching advertisement and they pay you instantly if you click withdraw. My name is Mustafa Sahadat. Welcome on to Online Millionaires. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link in description. You can come here, just put your email address and click. You can be registered in this website. Okay, just put your Litecoin Faucet website in here and click update. Then they put right now I have this much Litecoin, 2 coin. Come down to show you 1 coin equal to 76 Satoshi of Litecoin. Okay, and I have energy in here. 3 type of earning. First one is Faucet. Every 5 minutes you come here and claim Faucet. Okay, every 5 minutes they pay you 10 coin. Okay, 10 coin equal to 10 BTC. Okay, and just solve this letter capture. Sorry, I click advertisement. Okay, if you solve, just click I'm not a robot and bridge, click verify, come later down, click collect your reward, and you can collect your reward. They pay me 10 coin and you can earn with short links. If you have short links, watch all short links and they pay you much more. This is all available short links. Every short links pay you some coins. This short links, if you watch, 20 coins pay you and 3 energy. I should tell you about the energy after some days. After solving this capture. Okay, click I'm not robot, claim your Faucet, click this one to continue. Okay, now wait some seconds. After that you can claim your reward. Wait 5 seconds. Okay, I close the advertisement. Okay, after 5 seconds I start the video again. Okay, I come back after 5 minutes. The second is finished. Click get link and okay, 20 coin they added to my balance. This is my available balance, 32 coin and 20 of energy. The energy working after you claim much more Faucet. They didn't pay you. Okay, unlimited. Just a daily claim is 1,100. Sorry, not 1,100 or 15. After that they didn't pay you. That time the energy work. Okay, now I click to withdraw. Show you this website pay me instantly. Right now I have this much Litecoin. This is very easy to earning. Just click withdraw without any solving any capture. They withdraw your Litecoin in your Faucet balance. Okay, now I go to show you in my Faucet pay. Okay, I come back in my Faucet pay. Little bit come this much Litecoin I received from this website. Okay, and thanks for watching guys. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself.